Hey everyone! Welcome back to Car Release TV. Are you ready to dive into the future of classic trucks? Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Chevrolet C10, a stunning blend of retro charm and cutting-edge innovation. Whether you're a die-hard truck enthusiast or just love sleek, powerful vehicles, this one's going to blow your mind. Stick around because you don't want to miss this. Exterior design. The 2025 Chevrolet C10. Its design is a love letter to the iconic C10 models of the 1960s, but with a bold, contemporary twist. The front grille is wider and more aggressive, featuring a massive chrome Chevrolet emblem that demands attention. Paired with advanced LED matrix headlights, this truck doesn't just look good, it's built to handle any weather condition with ease. The C10 sits on massive 22-inch aluminum alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, giving it a muscular, road-dominating stance. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling rugged off-road trails, this truck is ready for anything. The rear design is just as impressive, with sleek LED taillights and a power-operated tailgate that adds both style and convenience. Interior. The 2025 C10 is decked out with premium leather upholstery, offering both comfort and durability. Whether it's freezing cold or scorching hot outside, the heated and ventilated seats have got you covered. But that's not all. This truck is packed with tech. At the center of the dashboard is a massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even features a 360-degree camera to make parking and maneuvering a breeze. Plus, the spacious interior ensures everyone on board enjoys plenty of legroom. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 25 C10 comes with two engine options, and both are absolute beasts. The first is a 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers a jaw-dropping 420 horsepower. Whether you're towing heavy loads or hitting the trails, this engine is built to perform. So, what do you think of the 2025 Chevrolet C10? It's a truck that honors its roots while embracing the future, and it's packed with features that make it a true standout. From its bold design to its luxurious interior and powerhouse performance, this is one vehicle you'll want to keep on your radar. Until next time, keep your engines running and your dreams alive. This is Car Release TV signing off.